Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the lighting of this stall over here. So now we'll continue it over here. So what I'll be doing over here is like, let's go over here and I'll add some more lights over here as well. So again I'll go into this and let's make a rectangle over here. So I'll slightly reduce the thickness of it, convert to editable spline, select the vertices and let's give a bit of fillet to it. So again I'll go over here and slightly I can shuffle it a bit out, select this and let's push it a bit out over here as well as needed. So I'll just push this up, I'll slightly scale it inside and I'll go over here, I'll slightly reduce its radius, that's the thickness over here. Now again I'll go over here and I'll go into the lights and let's take a V-ray light over here and let's go into this and again make it as a mesh light as we did it before and go into this and pick a mesh. So before doing that, make sure you convert this to editable poly so you can easily edit it. So once it's converted into editable poly, again pick mesh and again let's click over here and again I'll go into this, I'll go into the temperature and if you want to put some temperature over here, that's the temperature, you can define it and the multiplier I can give it. So let's again render it, let's render it once again over here. So as you can see, the light is visible at the bottom, so it's too high. Let's reduce the multiplier over here. The multiplier is too high, let's make it to 5. Oops, make it to 5. Now again render it. Still it's very high, so I can still reduce it to 2 a bit. I can make it 2. Now let's render it once again. Okay, much better. So if you want to make a glow for this, that's the text over here, we can do it for this also. So let's select the text, that KO Tutorials. Again I'll go into this, again I'll take a V-ray light and after taking a light, let's go into this and let's pick a mesh, make it as a mesh over here and go into this, pick mesh and click on it. Okay, reduce the multiplier and now let's render it once again. Before you render it, you can give a glow as well. So if you want to give a glow to this, I can give a glow as well. Like you want to give a glow of any color over here, that can be added. Let's render it once again. So as you can see now, you are getting a glow with the help of this light. So your text has been converted over here. Now again re-render it. So now what I'll do over here is like, again I'll go over here. I can add up a camera. Let's set up a camera over here. Similarly, I can do the same over here. Again I'll take a V-ray light. And let's go into this. Make it as a mesh light. Pick mesh. So again I'll go into this and pick this mesh over here. Color, I can take the reddish color over here and again render it. Okay, it's going to glow it in the form of light. Alright. So now what I'll do over here is like, I'll make some render settings. Let's go into render setup and we'll do some settings over here. Let's go down. Go into the image filter. We'll keep it as Catmull room. Noise threshold, I'll keep it as 0.001. Same over here. We'll reduce the noise threshold. The GI environment also we do have it. I won't add this over here. I'll off it for now. So color mapping, we'll keep it as exponential. Subpixel mapping, I can activate that. So if I keep it as Reinhardt, so we do have different stuff over here. So it is a blend between exponential style, color and linear mapping. Burn value is 1, the result is linear color mapping, and the burn value is 0. Exponential style, so I'll keep it as Reinhardt only, that would be better. So go into GI, I'll go into this irridence map. I'll make it as, I'll increase this values over here, and your light cache, I'll make it as 1200. Again I'll render it once again. So now what I'll do is, I'll set up a camera. So I'll just set up a camera over here. I'll resize this. I'll make it a bit bigger so that it can look much better. And I will keep one camera right from the bottom over here, so it looks good in this way. And let's render it. So if you want to increase the render size, you can increase the render size above 1920. If you want it, you can go with it. So let's again render it. Let's render this. And if you want to reduce this light illumination, that can easily be reduced over here. Alright. You can slightly reduce the reflections if needed. Alright. We can change this if needed. So it's all up to you how you are going to use it. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So as you can see now, so I'll render it. So if you want to generate the passes, you can definitely generate the passes. If you want to add some HDRI background, you can add an HDRI background as well into it. So it totally depends. If needed, you can put it, or we can keep it as it is with this plain background. That's the solid color. Alright. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if not subscribed yet. So thanks for watching this tutorial.